Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, and in this video I am going to show you that if you want to change the dimensions or the aspect ratio in your video, you can easily do that in Filmora. I will just select the part of the clip where I want to select the aspect ratio, and then I can just go to the right hand corner, and from here I can click on change project aspect ratio. And from here, let's change it to widescreen because I want this mobile screen to appear in the widescreen. So I can set this. It's 1920 by 1080p and the frame rate is selected. You can change the settings according to your needs, and let's click OK. And now you can see that it is on the full screen, while the other clip, if we scroll this up, it is still in the original aspect ratio. So this is how you can adjust this easily in Filmora. And I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.